Your video doorbell lets you see, hear, and speak to anyone at your door, anytime, and from anywhere using the Virtual Keypad app. Here's how to use your video doorbell. To view your video doorbell, open Virtual Keypad and tap Doorbell. Tap View Live. To talk to someone at your door, press the Call button. To disarm your system, tap the Shield button and tap Disarm. You can also use the Shield to arm your system. You can tap the star to view your Z-Wave favorites and select one. Tap the End button to return to the doorbell screen. Below, you can view a list of clips from today. To view a different day, tap the calendar icon and select a day. Tap a clip to view it. To save this clip to your smartphone, tap the Download button in the corner. Tap the X to return to the doorbell screen. When someone rings your doorbell, you'll get a push notification. Tap on the notification to view live video from your doorbell. You'll get a notification like this if your doorbell detects motion. Tap on the notification to view live video from your doorbell.